In this video, I am going to show you how to get a discount code for Grammarly. 1. Sign up for Grammarly emails. Registering for a Grammarly account or subscribing to their email list can make you eligible for promotional emails. Grammarly often sends special offers, including discount codes, to its email subscribers. 2. Educational discounts. If you're a student or educator, check if your institution is partnered with Grammarly. Many educational institutions offer Grammarly for free or at a discounted rate to their members. 3. Refer a friend program. Grammarly sometimes offers a referral program where you can get discounts for free access by referring friends. Each successful referral might earn you a discount on your subscription. 4. Seasonal and holiday sales. Keep an eye out for holiday sales or special occasions like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or back-to-school periods. Grammarly often offers discounts during these times. 5. Social media and official blog. Follow Grammarly on social media platforms and regularly check their official blog. Companies often announce special promotions and discount codes through these channels. Also, you can find them in third-party websites. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.